U.S. indices slightly positive in shortened trading. Before we start, a quick word from our sponsor. This video is brought to you by XNets, the world's leading retail brokerage firm offering ultra-fast execution and no overnight fees. Look for a link in the description below. The Nasdaq 100 has rallied a little bit in overnight electronic trading, but you have to keep in mind that Monday is also President's Day in the United States, so this would have been influenced by electronic futures trading in Asia and Europe. All things being equal, this is a market that is still very positive, and I do think you have to look at it through that prism. Short-term pullbacks should end up being buying opportunities as we are breaking out to the upside. At this juncture, the market is going to continue to see plenty of buyers underneath, especially near the 22,000 level. And then after that, the 50-day EMA underneath continues to rally rather significantly higher as well. The Dow Jones 30, of course, has done the same thing, but again, this is President's Day in the United States, so therefore it won't really have much in the way of true volume. Either way, it looks like we're going to continue to consolidate and perhaps try to build that pressure to the upside. If we can break above the 45,000 level, that obviously would be a very bullish sign. But right now, I think we're more or less in a holding pattern. We are still bullish overall. It's just that we don't have the momentum to leap over the barrier and continue going much higher. Short-term pullbacks, I think, continue to get bought into. And finally, the S&P 500 looks as if it is trying to do what it can to break out and to a fresh new high, much like the Nasdaq 100. But again, it's a holiday, so I wouldn't read too much into it other than the fact that it's a simple continuation of the longer-term trend that we have been in. The 6,000 level underneath, I think, is going to end up being the floor in the market, especially now that the 50-day EMA is hanging around that same area as well. The market has spent some time consolidating in a longer-term uptrend, and now I think it's ready to continue that move higher that we had seen most of last year. My name is Christopher Lewis. I work for FXEmpire. If you enjoyed the video, give me a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more analysis.